Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Dila Ikhwana, 10 IPS 2 akan menjelaskan tentang biografi Soekarno. Ir Soekarno, born in Blitar, East Java, June 6, 1901. Died in Jakarta, June 21, 1970. At age 69 years. Is Indonesia first president who served two terms from 1945 to 1966. He played an important role for the liberation of Indonesia from Dutch colonialism. He is a danger Pancasila. He was a proclaimed Indonesia independence. Soekarno was born with the name Kusno Sosrodihardjo. His father named Raden Sukemi Sosrodihardjo, a teacher in Surabaya, Java. His mother was Ida Ayu Nyomanrai, comes from Buleleng, Bali. Sekian dari saya, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.